Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. It's an absolutely beautiful day. It's hot, but there's a nice breeze. Favorite shirt's all clean and washed. I'm wearing some of my favorite fat Nike Vans. Yes, I wear all Vans. All my shirts, all my shoes, socks are all Vans. I've been wearing them since like 1986. That's how long I did skateboard for before my accident. So talking about that, I'm actually filming this on the day, today's the actual anniversary of my accident, July 4th. So the owner of the Senna is apparently bringing something out super sick today. I'm not gonna say what it is until we see it. Hopefully that happens. Okay you guys, big day today, so let's see what we can get. 4 years to the day of my accident. Actually, it's also the 1-year anniversary of when I met Daily Driven Exotics. So I'll put a photo right here of when I met DDE. There's 2 full days of videos, 2 videos where I spent the 2 days filming them down below. I'll put a link to those in the description. Okay you guys, let's see what we can get. We're headed to spot number 1, just making a quick pit stop, and then I'm heading straight there. Okay guys. Okay you guys, just got to spot number 1. Look what's parked. Black and white 812. So let's get some footage of this. Hopefully we can get it leaving. Canada is gonna be a good one. Okay guys, check this out. Having food, spotting whatever goes by from eating food. So I'm at my favorite restaurant, the Oxley. I know the owner, he's a super nice guy. Okay you guys. Oh my god. One more for the road, dude. Oh. Okay, have a good night. Oh. Wow. So sick. Okay, man, have a good night. Okay, you guys, got to sit in a Senna. Now I'm sitting in my buddy's. Sick. Say what's up, it's my buddy Ben.
Hey guys, how you doing?
He works at Ferrari.
That's it, Troy of Ontario.
Yeah, super nice guy. This is his 507. It's super sick. So why is the interior you said it's a rare interior?
Yeah, so it's a rare spec on the 507. It's the like creme designo white interior.
Wow.
So like, you don't see it often at all. You know
Okay.
what I mean? It's like super fucking.
Dude, whoa.
Especially on the iridium silver, it just really looks good. And I'm thinking of wrapping it like maybe like a grape crush color, you know, like.
Really?
Yeah.
With white wheels?
Oh, that would be so sick. No, but I'm.
No, stay in the black.
I want to do some replica SLS wheels, you know, like a Black Series SLS wheels.
Oh, that would be sick.
Yeah. That'd be
Okay. 507, you guys.
I'm gonna make a
super
GoFundMe for that.
Okay guys, I'm at spot number 2 and the craziest thing just happened. So I literally just almost got robbed. I fought the guy off. I swear on my life. Security in there saw it. So I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a big spray mark that goes all the way into the street. So I was filming, I look up, this guy has my bag in his hand, So I yanked my bag out of his hand and like used my crutch to like defend him off, and like baseball swatted his drink out of his hand. So as you can see, there's like a big streak mark like that. So I got my bag back, thank God. He had my water. I'm in shock. I look up, the guy's got my water and my bag in my hand. My bag's got like my GoPro, thank God my camera was in front of me, had all my meds, and like I had to like yank it out of him and take a swing. Like, and the guy like started like freaking out on me for stealing my bag. So like you can see there's like all these streak marks, and like then he like runs off, and then he starts trying to steal other people's bags in the area where I film. So super crazy, you guys. I just thought I'd throw this in because I'm just in shock. Like I'm in shock, you guys. I'm in shock. In this day and age, like somebody would steal from a disabled guy. Like I don't know what to say, you guys. Let's get back to the cars, and hopefully nothing else crazy happens on the anniversary of my accident. I don't know why today, like. Okay guys, let's get back to the cars. .458 Spider.
I'll tell you why in a second.
Sick. Sick.
So funny.
Look at this sick 812. Oh my God. This guy was on my channel earlier, so. Dogs. That's okay, no. .812 is bad. Evo. Oh, it's the first one in Canada, Evo.